Please see today's video as entertainment only. I'm not a financial advisor. You must of course do your own due diligence. Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope you are all well. It's the start of a new financial week, and today's video is a bit of an update video on a previous stock that I have talked about. But before we get into it, can you please like, please subscribe, grow on the channel, all that good stuff, guys. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Thank you very much. Also, check out the links in the bio below for not only my Reuters article that I have done. There's actually 2 of them there worth a read, guys. Also, check out link that gives you and I both a share up to £200 for free. Buckshy, baby. Free. So that's good. Might as well check that out. And also, don't forget to get me on the Instagram, BHS DMV, guys. That platform's growing. Good banter happening on that side as well. Please drop me any comments, anything at all. I try to respond to everyone. Without further ado, though, let's get into today's video. So today's video is an Argo blockchain. It's an update video. I've done one previously. You'll see the link here if you want to go in and learn a bit about all the sort of stuff that Argo blockchain is doing, why I was so bullish on it, why I bought in. You'll find all that good stuff in that video there. This is just more of an update video. The ticker symbol for Argo blockchain is ARB. So what am I talking about today then? Some great stuff. So just a quick recap of what we previously discussed. So Argo blockchain deals in crypto mining, which is obviously a throbbing sector. You know, cryptocurrency has really been on the forefront of everybody's lips and mind for the last year, but it's been around for a long time. But ever really since Tesla's Elon Musk said that you can buy cars now in Bitcoin, and companies of big stature certainly accept Bitcoin, the thing has really taken off, especially this last year, as I said. So it's exciting space to be in. I liked it, as I said in previous video. It was a bit of a hedge for me in terms of instead of just owning cryptocurrency. I mean, I do have money in Bitcoin, but I thought let's look into the mining sector. And Argo blockchain was a great pick. UK stock, which I love, and the things that they're doing is great. So they announced that they have bought a 320-acre piece of land in Texas, which is just phenomenal. In February, they've actually smashed their records and done the most mining to date that they've ever done, which is phenomenal. And also today then we've got even more news that's come out. And this news today is groundbreaking, that I feel that this just gives Argo blockchain the edge over anybody else, and I think this is massive news. So let's check it out. This is being reported on many outlets, but we'll just pick up this one here. So as I said, on Friday, Argo blockchain jumps on green crypto mining pool launch. So you can probably imagine what I'm going to talk about here just on the title alone, but it aims to be the world's first Bitcoin mining pool to be powered exclusively by clean renewable energy. So we talked about in the previous video that blockchain powered gets their energy from the grid, and they've got a supply deal there that actually helped them reduce their costs more than anybody else, which is part of the reason why I think they're going to be so profitable. But to be able to go clean, to be able to have renewable energy, not only does it affect the environment, because bear in mind, guys, crypto mining is heavy, very heavy on energy. So to be able to use renewable energy ticks all the boxes, even from a sustainability and practical and economical standpoint. I mean, I do prefer green stocks. Most of my videos are all about green energy and, you know, EV plays, and, you know, it's the future and protecting the environment for the kids, all that. I'm very passionate about that. You know, in my own life, I do a lot of recycling. I do really believe that we have to protect the earth we're in. This is great, guys. This is really good. So let's read it. So Terra Pool will be a joint effort between 970 million UK company and Canadian crypto mining DMG blockchain, creating scope for a green Bitcoin, Argo said. The initiative aims to allow miners to produce Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in a sustainable way using clean energy, cutting the impact of Bitcoin mining on the environment. As Argo expands its operations through the 2022 launch of its transformational new facility in Texas, that's the 320 acres one that I talked about at the start, we expect that Argo will leverage the abundant supply of solar and wind power in Texas to further differentiate itself as a clean, sustainable miner, said FinCap analyst Michael Hill. And don't also forget, side note, Texas is great for taxes. That's why you've got the likes of Tesla setting up operations. You're getting Musk, you're getting Bezos, all these guys moving to Texas. So bear that in mind as well. Investors piled on the news, sending the stock more than 12% higher to 223 pennies, following substantial profit taking through much of March after hitting 279. So it dipped. The reason it dipped is because they had raised funds to be able to invest, and that's what you want. I don't care if the stock price goes down. I don't care if they're looking to raise funds and that affects the stock price, because I'm holding this for the next decade, guys. And if you're doing the same, you want to see your stock do this. So they're going to talk about climate change concerns, and most people probably know about this, but I think it's worth pointing out. Concerns of the Bitcoin network, climate change implications have picked up steam recently. A recent note from the Bank of America highlighted the issue, saying that the network today emits about 60 million tons of carbon dioxide, the same as Greece. Wow, the whole country of Greece, America alone, is putting that out just on Bitcoin. So it does need addressed, and all companies that are looking to hit their eco targets, they're going to want to have this sorted out. So that is a key thing. A 1 billion fresh inflow to Bitcoin may cause CO2 to rise in the equivalent of 1.2 million internal combustion engine cars. So guys, this is huge, big effort. Addressing climate change is a priority for Argo, and partnering with DMG to create the first green Bitcoin mining pool is an important step towards protecting our planet now and for the generations to come, said the CEO Peter Wall. FinCap plans to update its Argo blockchain investment case, forecast and valuation when the company publishes its full year 2020 results in the coming weeks. Great news, guys. Look, I'm really bullish about Argo. I love the fact that they're the UK play. That's great for my portfolio for a bit of diversity. I love this cryptocurrency situation that we find ourselves in. I do believe this is a market that is only going to go through. I'm actually pretty damn sure of that. So you might as well get into the best mining ones. Now, there is many different mining ones, as I talked about in my previous video. I compared and contrasted the different valuations and why I think Argo has a lot of room. And things like this, and an investment like this, shows me that they are taking this serious. They are looking to the future, and guys, I really am so bullish now on Argo blockchain. It is unreal. So I'm going to increase my position. I don't have a huge position in them, but because I've got a lot of Bitcoin, it was said it was sort of a hedge almost, but I'm going to increase it now on the back of this news. I think it's great. Today it's up over 5% currently, so I don't like buying on green days. I'm going to let this see how this sizzle cooks over the next couple of days, but definitely keen to get more money into Argo blockchain. A side note, guys, now this is just my own thoughts again. Tesla is in Texas, okay, and Tesla, outside of the EV plays, many people don't understand as well that they are heavily involved in solar. Solar in Texas has had grave reviews recently due to all the issues that they have with the snow. The great advertisement or promotion for Tesla solar panels was that they coped brilliantly with the snow issues. So solar panels creates energy. You now have Elon Musk, Tesla, rock hard. He's coming out going, guys, I want Bitcoin. It's massive. So what's he doing? To me now, it's just my thoughts, but he's looking at this and going, if I pump up Bitcoin, not only is it the future, he's a smart man, and like he is very intelligent. I think his IQ test is in and around the same as Einstein, which is just mind blowing. So he's a very intelligent guy, and he's a shrewd businessman. So he's looking at this and he's going, right, we have solar panels, we're going to try and get these things out to reduce energy, green, all of that jazz, but I'm going to promote something that is heavy on energy. Not only is Bitcoin going to be the future and I'll make money for Tesla and my own profit, he's also seeing it as a thing that can promote Tesla's solar energy. That's my thoughts. I can see him literally, let's get Bitcoin up, it's going to be high energy. What's the solution? Here, I've got the solar panels. Just my thoughts, guys. Love to get your thoughts back on that treat. That's the video as well. Until next time, guys, I'll keep you up to date on Argo. As we talked about, we do have their earnings coming up. Very excited. I will have them straight on your lap, guys. So it's important to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with Argo and all the other juicy stocks that I have for you. Really do appreciate if you can also subscribe. That's a key as well. That really will help me out. Get me on the Instagram, and also don't forget I have this week's Twitter vote poll live for you. Yesterday's one was on Disney. That's what you voted for. I've done the video for you. This one's live. Get voting. It's on the Twitter. And until next time, guys, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not.